Ouch. Look at this all original, beautiful, first generation Mazda RX-7. Look at this damage on this nice car. We're going to fix this without repainting this classic vehicle. So first thing we're going to do here is we're actually going to apply some airbag action to the backside just to kind of move some of that metal initially. And that's going to allow us to do some crown work or large slapping from the outside, just removing a lot of that buckle that's in there. And then you can see we're actually going to go behind the panel and leverage or push off a structure to move that. Look at that metal moving, basically just removing that dent, methodically of course, but you can see we've got the left side already done for the most part. We're going to come back to it in a little bit, but we're moving to the right side now, and we're almost done with this repair. It's probably about a good solid day repair for me, but either way, look at this beautiful first generation Mazda RX-7, all original paint. You just don't see them like this. And this guy was bummed when he found out his car got hit in a parking lot. But we're going to save it using the paintless dent repair method. Full metal manipulation from the inside and outside of the panels to get this vehicle back to its pre-loss condition. You can see up close and personal, we're doing some blending here. This is just a slow process of incrementally moving that metal, but look at this end result. Customer was blown away, just taken back at the fact that we were able to restore this vehicle back to its pre-loss original condition without affecting the paint finish. So it's literally like going back into time. We essentially were able to reverse the damage without affecting anything about the vehicle during the process of repair. And this gentleman had his vehicle back the same day. Thanks for watching.